Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to choose your shipping options on Vinted. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Vinted, you can continue logging in or signing up using your Facebook account, your Google account. You can even use your Apple account. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, selecting your shipping options on Vinted can be advantageous for a lot of reasons because number one, choosing your shipping options allows you to select the shipping method that best fits your budget and preferences. You can opt for standard shipping, expedited shipping, or other available options depending on your needs. Because different shipping options offer varying delivery speeds, by selecting your shipping method, you can control how quickly you can receive your items or how fast your buyers can receive the purchases. Now, for us to be able to do that, it's a very simple and straightforward process because all we have to do is just go to our account settings, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, click on settings. Now, once you are here, as you can see, go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on shipping. Now, from here, you can add your shipping address, but you also have the delivery options, all right? And this, right now, what I have is the United States Postal Service or the USPS. And from here, basically, you can add another, all right? Another shipping address, or you can see some compensation information where you click on this one. Okay, so just go here so that you would be able to know the compensation for sellers when shipping with integrated labels, all right? Because the shipping availability depends on your region, right? Now, obviously, from here, if you wanted to get more information about the shipping information, click on the Help Center at the very bottom, and from here click on shipping. So these are the general topics that can help you guide more on the shipping options that you have invented. But again, the shipping options is restricted depending on your location and region. All right, you can also reach the Vinted support center at this email should you have any further questions about the availability on your shipping options on the Vinted account. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in our next one.